Welcome to episode 2 of A Love Journal. Today I would like to work pages 1 through 7 and shade in the background. So I grabbed my inks. I grabbed whatever pinks and magentas and coral colors I had. So I have these archival inks in vibrant fuchsia, magenta hue, magenta, and then I have this ombre color. It is really cute. I like it. And then I grabbed grays in watering can and rain cloud. And then I also grabbed jet black. I grabbed my distress oxide also in black, hickory smoke, and pumice stone. So one of these will work really well on each page, and whichever color I choose to use, it'll work really well with the whole kit. On this page here, I think I will go with like a black background. I think that will be good because I would like to start with perhaps a pink page here. It'll be stunning, right? Vibrant, the first page. So I think I'll use the black soot and just shade in all the edges because I will be covering this, so I don't need the whole thing shaded in, and I just want to do the edges. Let me show you all that I've done now. I went ahead and distressed and shaded them all in. I used the black soot on this one, and then I did the magenta hue on this one. It is such a pretty color. Look at that. I like it. I love the way it turned out. And then this one I did hickory smoke, and it gives it that soft color. And then this one, look at this. I like the way this one turned out. I did a black soot, and then I went over it with some magenta hue. It gives it some mystery, doesn't it? Really cute. And then I did the black soot on this one. And this one is also magenta hue. And then this one I did the ombre. Look at this. I have 3 colors that I used all together, and it shades from pink to purple, and I wasn't quite sure how it was going to turn out, but look at that. It's so pretty. And then this one I added spun sugar because I wanted some soft pink, so, and I really like that one. Nice. So that's what I have so far. I feel like I should start right here. I want to go ahead and cover the backing of my cover. I chose to use this one. Look at this. It'll be really cute, I think. I apparently used some of it already, but I think I love the script on there. So look at that. How romantic, right? So I think this will work really well right here. And then I need to figure something out. For this side, I was kind of thinking maybe like a solid color. Let me see. I have some pink pages here. Of course, I have the vibrant color here. Look at that. And then I was looking through my supply box. I really don't have much pink. The only reason I have pink is because it came in a multi-pack. So I might have to go make a trip to the store. See, look, isn't that pretty? Oh, you see how they got some of the pinks in there? So if I could do that, like this, that'll be awesome, right? So let me do that. But first of all, I need a full page. Need that one. And then this is going to go here. And let me measure this and trim that one out. Like, it's gonna go to the edge of my cover there. And then let me grab a pencil. So I kind of have an idea of where I want to cut this. Let me see, where's my ruler? I want to tear this. And then let me mark down here too. And then I'm going to line this up. I probably should go a little larger because I want to tear that too. So let me just go on over. Where's my mark? And let's see, which way do I want to tear? I want the romantic edging around this paper. There we go. And then, see there, cute, right? And I need to go down here and tear this. I finished this one. Look at this. I love the color combination. They're very cute. When I'm doing journaling, I like to have my page coordinating on the same page. Well, this open part. And I don't know, I just find it more pleasing that way. So I think this was a really good color combination right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and work on the rest of my pages. And what I'll do is put on some music for you. This is where I'm at in setting up my backgrounds, but I came to a dilemma. I want to put this flap in here, right? And when I flip it over, you see how it buckles? And I was thinking, well, I'll just do like tape the two together or glue it together, but I think I'm going to have the same problem. See how it bubbles right in here? I need some cardstock, and I'm hoping that will clean it up. I guess the color doesn't really matter as long as it's in there. I just want to make sure it covers like right in the center there. I have it glued in now, the cardstock, and look at that. It actually, it was very helpful. So that's the way to go. So if you ever have a problem, a wonderful way to correct that problem. No more buckling, look at that. I'm quite happy. I was thinking I may have to abandon this idea, but I like it. Cute. I've decided we should do an overview of everything I've accomplished so far. So here we go. I covered the inside with a script. I like that one. And then on this page, I just put a blank sheet here, and I will go from there. And the next page, I decided to use some heart doilies I had. How cute, right? And then I put a script behind it, and it's vellum, but I like it. And then this page, I did a belly band on the side, but I also put another script behind it. So here's my belly band. Look at that. Cute, right? I mean, there's plenty you can put in here. And then on top of this belly band, I put another one right here. This one I'm still working to see how it'll turn out. I might keep both bands, or I might get rid of one. I don't know yet, but we'll see. And then this, I love the way this overlay on the stamping went, so I want to keep this one as is. We'll just do a journaling and maybe a little bit of embellishment, but I think that's all it needs. And then this page, I decided to do a pocket on the side. So we have the pocket here, and then I have another pocket right here. How cute, right? I like that idea. And then this side, I will do like probably a little bit of embellishment too, and make it all coordinate. And then this one, I decided to just leave open again. I love the pink color all the way around the edge. And then this one, from the beginning, I set it up so I can make a pocket on this side, but I changed my mind. So that's how journaling goes. Any craft project, don't be afraid to change your mind. So I've decided to go this way. See, we can do, I can do a pocket here if I want, or I can just leave it like this and do journaling, you know, kind of like a secret area, and I can embellish right here, and then you'll still have journaling to do there. And then this one, I love the way this scripting or the flourishing things, it kind of matches this one, right? Really cute. And then the next page, I decided to do like a back page on this side, and then on this side I did the flap. Look at that. So you can do journaling here if you want, and then I will probably do something with this, maybe make another journaling area or something. At the moment this is what I have, and that's where it stopped. So you saw I explained how I corrected the buckling on this page. That's quite a inventive idea. So that is where we're at right now. I like it so far. I'm quite happy with it. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you in the next episode.